uWinnie Khumalo nobe ngumculi aphinde abe umlingisi wedlule emhlabeni izolo esibhedlela iChris Hani Baragwanath emva kokugula okufushane. Abangani kanye nabesebenza nabo balokhu beqhubekile ukuzobhonga emswaneni.
Silimele when I received the news bengakulindele bengikhuluma naye ekseni siya video callana all the time ekhuza indaba yama social media kuyiphatha kweciko because
I'm really lost for words. I'm outside her house now about to enter and suddenly it's raining so the mood is somber here, very somber.
The music sector wouldn't be what it is without the likes of Winnie Khumalo. She contributed immensely to our sector.
Umndeni uthi ulahlekelwe uKhumalo ubengumuntu wabantu.
Bekungathi umngani wami the way besinokuthi noma sihleli sihleka bengimina naye besithanda nje ukwenza amajoke ngingamthathi ukuthi mncane kimi and bekumuntu othanda ukuhleka anale kokuhleka kwakhe ukuphezulu nje so lento yenze yabona namanje ngiyakhuluma nje but I'm still shaking.
uWinnie ubaziwa kakhulu ngengoma yakhe ethi Live My Life. Waqala ukucula ngeminyaka yo-80s wasebenza noma kade bona kulomkhakha abafana noBrenda Fassie, Chico Twala, Zonke Dikana kanye nabanye. Amalungiselelo omncwabo kanye nenkonzo yesikhumbuzo abengakaqinisekiswa.